In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer FC Mobile account to another phone. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Just go ahead, open up your FC Mobile, and then just give it a moment to load, as you can see right now. And now once you are in, this is the interface, as you can see. Just go ahead, click on the gear icon that's located at the top right. Then click on link accounts. And after that, just choose which account that you want to link: Facebook, Play Games, or EA account. So go ahead, choose the one you like, and then follow the procedures and you should be good to go. So go ahead and do this. And this was an easy and quick process video. I hope this video was helpful. And as always, thank you for watching.